Everybody, Dizzy Crafter here with another haul from Create and Craft. I'd actually got an email this particular morning from Aall and Create to say they was having a huge sale on Create and Craft, so I had to go on there because I love their stuff and the prices was ridiculous. Most of them was $1.99, these stamps, and basically I still got my 10% off for being a club member. So basically it ends up being like £1.80 a stamp, which is just crazy because some of these were like $11.99 to buy if you'd have bought them now. Anyway, enough of my waffling, let's dive in. So as you can see, this box is just absolutely rammed, so I am actually going to just flick through these quickly, otherwise the video is just going to be mega long. If you want to see any of them more, then please let me know and I'll do another video of them. So we've got 374, 433, 484, really sorry about the glare guys, 605, 375, 376. This one is that early, it's not even got a number on it, so I'm guessing it is early because I don't know, I've never known it not to have a number on, but it's cute anyway with his little bird with his nest and everything. Then we've got 106, 425, 104, 97, 88, 95, 89. So there's quite a lot of the early stamps there. Then we got 86, 91, 90. I mean, I really feel like these characters are just so quirky. I've never actually seen anything like it before. Then we've got 85, and then another one without a number on. In fact, I'm not even sure I've actually got that one, I'll have to check. If it is, it can go in a giveaway. Then we've got 107, 105, 187, 188, and yet another one without a number. So they're the A6. Oh, I actually got more A6 sizes here too. Told you there's a lot. Look at all them goodness. We've got 364, 302, 553, 606, 487, 469, 486, 262, 349, 292, 646, which I couldn't believe this one was in the sale because I remember it launching and it doesn't seem that long ago. It was a couple of months back. That's about free at the most, I'm guessing. So I was really shocked to see that in the $1.99 sale. 498, 431, 471, 383. Love these hexagons. 432, 485, 595, 84, 94 and 101. So I've definitely filled quite a bit of my gaps in with these. And then we've got the A7, I think this is. a lot of stamps here. Again, I'd never be able to hold all these in one go. So we've got 12, 158, 20, gosh that is a really early one, 571, 572, 522, which I have made up. I got this in the sale as I've been after this for some time. So my grandson loves dinosaurs, so he's definitely going to be having a card made with these gorgeous dinosaurs. 343, and again these ones launched with them cupcake ones not that long ago, so I cannot believe they was in the sale at that price. Crazy prices. 528, 520, 14, wow, that's probably like my one that's one of the earliest ones that's got numbered. And 136, which I love this ghost because you can make all these different faces. So the ghost comes blank and then you've got all the faces here so you can create them, and same on the pumpkin. Then we've got 177. And we've got 47, 125, 244, 213, 63, 53, which I think is really cute. Again, look, you can put the faces on yourself, and then you've got the top hats and everything, so that is gorgeous, love that. 209, 51, wonder if we can do, no you can't do the faces with them ones. 282, 281, 62, 72. If any of you have watched the video of my projects I sent in for the Card Maker of the Year competition, if I'd have known this was a thing, I'd never even seen this stamp until I was looking in the sales, I would have actually got this, because I've got this guy here playing the guitar. Actually, it might be a different one, but I have got a unicorn playing a guitar that I'd used, and I could have had a whole set of band members with that if I'd have had this. So I might end up having to do another stage just so I can do that. And then we've got 341, number 13. Well, nope, that's definitely going to be the oldest one I've got, I think. 138, 176, 12, nope, that's the newest one. Oh no, number 5, there you are, that's probably going to be the one, the youngest one, not the young, yeah, the youngest one. 139, 48 and 212. So that's all the stamps. I know I've kind of really rushed through them, guys, but I just feel like this video would go on for about 20 minutes and I'd just be going, oh it's cute, oh it's this, it was that, when you can see for yourself. Like I said, if you want to see them closer, I'll do another video, it's no problem. And then we got some washi tapes. So I've not actually got any the Aall and Create washi tapes, but apparently these are really good. And then we've got Astonish, which this is number 30. So, and I don't want to unravel them all because I'm not going to be using them, so because apparently there's quite a lot of distance between the patterns. Then we've got number 18 and it's called Poets. I really like this one. Number 20, and it's, I'm not going to be able to pronounce that because it's foreign. I don't even know what language it is. I want to say it's Spanish, but I don't know. That's a guess. But you can see the pictures anyway. Then we got number 5. What was this one called? Artsy, this one's called. Oh, we've got hashtag number 1, it's Eclipse. Perfect name for that one. Number 21, and it's Beach Rock. Number 10, and it's called Fragments. Oh, love this. It's like proper Tim Holtz. I remember having some tape very similar to this that Tim Holtz brought out many years ago. Oh, this is a really big one. And this one's in CREAT, and it's number 4. Love this with the crosses on. And apparently you get 10 meters on these as well, so that's really good value. Because again, these was in the sale, and like usually these are about £5 I think, and they were selling them off for £1.50. So with my discount, it's couldn't refuse it. And then this one's number 6, and it's called Crafty. Number 3, and it's Ponder. 26, it's Motivation. And this one's 24, and it's Power Words. And it's 17, Mix and Match. I'm really sorry I can't show you every bit of pattern that's on these, but like I say, I just don't want to unseal them and open them up for it to get ruined when I'm not using it right now. And the last one is 16, and it's Burlap Black. I love this one. That is so cool. So that's my haul, guys. I know it's a big haul, and I have tried to keep it to a minimum length of time, and hopefully you've enjoyed seeing it, a flash through, going through it all. So I'd like to say thank you for watching. I'd love it if you please comment and subscribe, and I hope to catch you in the next video. See you soon. Bye.